Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Opera GX browser on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Opera GX on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is the official website of Opera GX. And this is also where we can download the browser, so just go and click. And after that, you will now be on the website. So to download the Opera GX browser on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button right here, so just go and click it. And after clicking it, the browser will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And after that, your Opera GX will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Opera GX browser. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.